Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike with Diamond Auto Security Solutions. I was called out today for this 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat. The dealership called me. They just paid my way up to New Jersey. They needed to remove the IGLA pin code from here so they can sell it. They didn't fully understand the system. What we're going to do now is show you what they've done so far in trying to find the IGLA. They did put the few pieces back up across the front. They've gone through the electrical system in the under the hood. They've gone and taken some of the trunk apart to try to trace wiring. Still couldn't find it, so they decided to go for the interior. They've taken the back seat out, searching for the wire harnesses through there. They've gone ahead and pulled back the center consoles, taken the rest of the center console apart. Some door trim. Can blocks are down, full panels are down, clusters out, infotainment systems out, center console, HVAC, body control modules hanging on the ground, or hanging off its mounting points. They've literally torn this car apart searching for the IGLA pin code. And then they had to go and call me after 2 days worth of ripping this car apart so I can come in and take it out. Trust the professionals, folks. Go to an authorized dealer. Don't just trust some fool on the street that says, hey, I can get an IGLA from the internet, and then try to install it. You will not be happy with a non-authorized installer.